Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the Halloween filter on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok application. Right, so once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. You want to click on effects and you want to go ahead and search for the effects right here. And if you cannot find the filter here, what you want to do is to go to, for me I have it saved to favorites and I'm going to go there. And this is the filter right here. As you can see, this is the Halloween filter. Suppose you cannot get the filter like this. What you want to do is to visit this page, link in the description. Alright, so this is the page. You want to go ahead and wait for it to load. And then you want to scroll down. So you want to scroll down until you can see this very picture right here. And you want to go ahead and click on it. And then you want to go ahead and click add to favorites to add it to your favorites. And then you want to hit use this effect. Guys, this is how to get the Halloween look or filter on TikTok. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.